30 years ago, this car was my pride. Even now, I can still see its soul.
I remember when this car was pristine. It was our pride and joy. Now look at it. Just like everything else from those days. Gone. Oh, we're still here. This car means everything to me. I'll take care of it, I promise. Then it's yours.
Hello? Yes, I need a tow truck.
Okay, what's the issue?
My car won't start. It's at the old warehouse yard. Got it.
We'll be there in about 30 minutes.
Great, thanks.
This is where your second life begins.
Here's the Porsche. Let's get it inside.
Chassis looks solid. We can save it.
We remove every scar. Give it a fresh start.
New steel, stronger than before. Piece by piece.
The body panels are perfect, a flawless repair. Yeah, the finish is immaculate, 100% repaired, no imperfections at all. Agreed. It's ready for the next stage. Looks good. Let's get the lights and wheels on.
Body panels are fully repaired. Looks clean. Good. Let's check the fit on the rear quarter. No issues. Ready for the next stage.
See this hose? It's loose.
Right.
The manual says to check the clamp.
Exactly.
Hand me that wrench.
There you go. Looks good.
Perfect. That's how you do it.
She's looking incredible. Great work. Thanks, man. She's ready for you. I can't wait. Thanks again. Anytime. Let's grab a beer soon.